One.
Hey, this is Wolfpack. I'm sorry this might be a touchy subject on a few people, but I seen some guy cut me off today. It really bothered me, but then I thought about it because it could be a touchy subject because these two gay people that were in the car. They cut me off and then they give me the finger. So I had no choice but just to roll down the window. And I said, why don't you just suck your boyfriend off? And these construction workers didn't understand that, so they gave me the finger like this. That's what they did. And all I had to do was just do this. I said, well, you just gotta put it in there. And, yo, you know what? You think that's gonna mean fuck you? That means a fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, when stupid assholes don't know sign language on road rage, fuck them all! Next time motherfucker cuts me off there, pull over to the next parking lot. Don't be a bitch and walk away. Okay, from Wolfpack.
Do the fuck you all thing one more time.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough. That's too silly. Now I can't see your arms again. Okay, there's your arms. Okay, maybe this way. I can see your arm on that side. Did you want to watch this before you put it up?
Well, it's supposed to be sign language. Jesus Christ. Okay, I don't know where I'm supposed to end with this one, but I might as well end with the best part of it. It's like, love you from Wolfpack. Let's go fishing. Come on. Fucking stop being in this stupid puppet life. Come on. We love you. Cheers and